Hello doctors, today we are going to see a complete demonstration of Diagnoflame software or sonography center management software of Sujot Technologies company based in Nasik. So before starting demo, I just give you a brief introduction of Sujot Technologies. Sujot has been working in this sector since 11 years. We have around 900 client base in all sectors all over India. Out of that, around 750 installations of Diagnoflame software has been done successfully all over India. So if you want to check the client list, just type www.sujotech.com and press this client list button and you will get the district wise client list of our Diagnoflame installations. Okay, now let's start with the Diagnoflame software demonstrations. So this is our Diagnoflame software dashboard. After clicking first icon, that is patient details, we'll get the patient details screen. Now assume patient comes to reception. Reception enters her basic details in our software like this. After that, to save patient info, receptionist press this update button. Now let's take an obstetric patient example to take full view of software. So if the patient is obstetric, then we also take her previous child history. So we enter her child history by clicking this child in icon button. Now assume she has two girls childs of 3 years and 5 years respectively. And after that we exit from the screen, and for consent we press this consent button and will get this consent printout. So there is no need to write down consent manually. It will gives you two copies on one page. You can gives one printout to patient and keep one for us. We can also take W declarations instead of consent from this W declaration button. Now, by taking note of referral sheet, receptionist can generate bill of patients by clicking charges under modality. Like if this patient is of Doppler, by simply clicking on Doppler and after that press this receipt button, here also you will get two copies of receipts, one for the patient and one for you. We can also set concession in concession column. We can also keep track of balance by putting respective amount in received section if patient gives less amount. Now patient goes to sonography room for scanning. After completing scanning, when we send DICOM files to PC from machine, after pressing this get DICOM image button, we'll get all DICOM image and DICOM data which we had sent from machine. This is your DICOM data and this is your DICOM images. To take image printout, simply click on portrait or landscape buttons. You will get the printout of image like this. Now, if you want to check the fetal calculations, no need to go to Barcelona website. Just press this get fetal values button. You will get all fetal values like this. And after clicking calculate button, we'll get all calculations we all needed. We also have fetal growth chart. By clicking this show graph button, this is EFW growth chart. This is FL graph. This is AC graph. And this is SC graph. And this is BPD graph. We can also take printout of this graph by right clicking on this show graph button. So we'll get all graph printouts on one page. After that, to take report, now just take look at master report template file. So this file doesn't have values. So now we are closing this file. But when we double click this reports from our software, will get report filled with all biometric values. No need to write it down manually and waste our time. This is your LMP, J by LMP, DD by LMP. This is your biometric values, BPD, SC, ACFL, fetal weight, average age. This is your Doppler values. All values you will get from our DICOM file. No need to write down it manually. It will save our most time. We can also WhatsApp reports and images to referral doctor and patient from our software by clicking this WhatsApp button. So this is your paperless working. We can save most of our papers. So recipients get this link, and after clicking this list, the recipient will get this kind of report on her mobile. We can also send appointment reminder through WhatsApp by clicking this appointment button. Just press this button, and after pressing this WhatsApp button, it will prompt to your WhatsApp, and you will get the WhatsApp message like this. Now, after that, if you want to fill a form to government website, just go to the PNDT details button. Now here, you have to just put two, three values. One is your LMP, second is your indication, and third is just press this open report button and select the impression from this report. It will come automatically in 14 number section, and after that press this format button. A form will get pasted in government website within just 8 to 10 seconds. No need to fill a form on government website manually. Here it is a form. We can also give ANC scheduler to the patient so she will get all appointment on one page. This is your ANC scheduler. It will give all dates when she has to come to scan. We can also do risk calculation from this software. For this, you don't need to go to Fetal Medicine Foundation website to calculate risk. For example, we just take one NT scan patient. We open this patient. We, we go to the DICOM search first. And after that, we press fetal and risk calculation. Then we go to the trisomies button. We'll get all the CRL, NT, and FHR values here automatically. We don't need to write down it manually. Now we just put the date of birth and weight, and we press the calculate risk button. You will get the result automatically. Alt F4, Alt exit. Now we come back to the main dashboard. If you want summaries of patient data and account, then we'll get all summaries from this report section. Here we'll get the detail collection between any specific dates. We can also check it. There is your detail collection of from for one day. You can check hard cache and soft cache. You can also check it test wise. You can also check it modality wise. We can get PNT monthly register from here. File, file. We can also have 5 column register. No need to write down it manually or no need to maintain manual register. By clicking this mail button, we can mail any of these summaries to anyone. By, we can also get these summaries into Excel by clicking this Excel button. Now, if municipal corporation inspector comes to your clinic and asks for any data like I want last 3 months data in of one female child, so just press this form F count details button, select date, put in one front of a female, and press this search button. You'll get the data. Your inspection will be over in just few minutes. One thing I forgot to tell you, you can do Just go to the patient details. You can do any kind of modality from this software. You can do X-ray reports, you can do ultrasound reports, you can do pathology reports, you can do any kind of reporting from this software. This is all about the Diagnoflame software. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching demonstrations and giving your precious time. Goodbye.